welcome back with my channel. For this time, I want to talk about 8 best stores of minimalist furniture online. Well, if you are interested with this topic, please enjoy watching this video until very end. Get creative with your modern aesthetic and check out these 8 best stores to buy minimalist furniture for your home. IKEA. The company is known for its modernist design for various types of appliances and furniture, and its interior design work is often associated with an eco-friendly simplicity. The furniture looks instantly look and comfortable. Their furniture has clean lines and bright and cheery upholstery options. IKEA is also cheap. Target Project 62. Target has always been a one-stop shop for simple home decor, but with the addition of their new home line Project 62, minimalist furniture just got even easier to shop for. With prices that are as competitive as IKEA and furniture that's meant for small space living. Up2B. Founded by Alec Beck and Matt Herman, Up2B is a popular online furniture store, recognized by notable publications such as Forbes, The Huffington Post, and CNBC. With free white glove delivery, 100-day returns, you can beat this minimalist home decor option. From colorful sofas to credentials outfitted with modern art, Up2B introduces you to all sorts of furniture available at incredibly affordable price. AllModern. AllModern is within the Wi-Fi, Bridgeland, and Justman family, meaning it's extremely affordable. AllModern is a recommended place for minimalists. AllModern offers bedroom furniture, lighting, ergonomic chairs, and even office furniture. They offer chic, trendy options at crazy good price so you can play around with your minimalist look without the hefty price tag. Urban Outfitters. Urban recently started focusing on small space living, meaning their pieces are simplified and designed to not overwhelm. Their products are a little bit pricier, so we recommend spending lavishing on one item like a velvet sofa or a glass bar cart to really gather your minimalist look. CB2. CB2 is a spin-off of Crate and Barrel, which focus more on delivering modern furniture that's clever, well-detailed, and most importantly, highly affordable. Their design palette has always been a mix of minimalist and mid-century modern, so there's a lot of room to mix and match for optimal style. Design Within Reach. Founded in 1998 by Rob Forbes, Design Within Reach is all about making authentic classics easily accessible to regular folks like us. The brand only deals with the best manufacturers, which guarantees that you get nothing but top-class furniture. So you are getting quality piece of furniture that won't go out of style, no matter what's currently trending. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more video, and make sure you watched all video in this channel. See you on the next video.